guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making okra soup for you guys, like leaf okra soup. Yeah, you know, I think I've done okra soup for you guys. I've done banga stew, I've done normal sapa fish stew. I wish that one of mine done. I can't remember. You can check the description box to check out some food videos I've done. So please mind where I am. This is how I cook when I'm at home. I don't do makeup when I want to cook or try to act on dress. So this YouTube channel that's kind of like real, kind of like realistic. Today we are making okra soup. Now we're going to have a watching, okay? And don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumb up, like this video, subscribe, share to someone that you know you want the person to learn this particular. It's not everybody that knows how to cook, and it's not a bad thing. But if you know somebody that really wants to learn how to cook, or like the foodie that wants to learn, you can share this video to them, okay? It's very simple. Me, I don't do all those I don't do all those fancy that natural things, and your food is going to be lit, okay? So bye, let's head to the video. So first thing first, we are going to watch our protein, and like I said, you can use any protein of your choice. You can use beef, you can use chicken, you can use goat meat, whichever one, even turkey. So make sure you wash your beef as much as possible, and also use salt to wash your beef, okay? So after washing your beef, I didn't show where I wash my stock fish, but please make sure you wash your stock fish very well. So after washing your beef and your stock fish, add them the same pot. So this is my stock fish that I wash, okay? So add your washed stock fish to the pot, and then the next thing you are going to add is your Maggi. I'm using no, you can use any of your favorite, but I love using no. So add your onions, add your salt, and please also be careful of your salt, and then cover this to boil, okay? So while this is ready like this, all you have to do is to add your Ponmo, and then I did not cut all my Ponmo. I set some aside. I will show you when I use them. So the next thing you are going to add now is your washed dry fish. When you add your washed dry fish, just stir this to allow this to incorporate, and then the next thing you are going to do is to add water. The water that is going to be enough to prepare your soup. Just, I don't know how you are going to do this, but just if you don't know the amount of water that will be enough for your soup, you can be adding the water little by little, okay? So for me, I already know how thick or how watery I want my okra soup to be. Some people like their soup very watery, some people like it very thick. So this is the water that I added. It has boiled. So now I'm going to add my diced Ponmo, the one I told you guys that I kept aside, because I love my soup to be handy. Like whenever you are eating it, you have something else that is entering your mouth. You understand? I love my soup to be dramatic, okay? So after adding this, I'm going to stir this, and then I'm going to add my palm oil. Please always add your palm oil like when the water is boiling. I don't know why my mom told me this. Like it actually helps it compared to when you just pour your oil to like normal water that is not boiled yet. So I use Iru. This is you might not use as much as this, but I love Iru in my okra soup. So I added my washed Iru. Some people don't watch it, but I don't know, I watch mine. So the next thing you're going to add is your yellow pepper. If you watch my cooking video, you know that I love using yellow pepper for my soup, especially like it has this flavor that it gives to me. And then I have my okra, this one is not sliced, it's actually grated. So this is just like dividing your okra into two. You are going to slice some, and then you are going to grate some, so that to give your soup the thickness that it needs. So after pouring this, I'm going to just try and scatter it inside the soup, and you can see that it's already drying. I'm gonna go kill me. So You can see that it's already drawing. I did not add ogbono inside this. And the next thing I'm going to add is my periwinkle. I told you guys that I love my soup to be dramatic. Like, I love things going on inside my soup. That is how I love making my soup. So I added my periwinkle. I'm going to stir this. And the next thing I am going to add here is my okra, the other okra that I sliced. I told you I divided it into two. I'm going to add this. Like this one, I just cut them round, like circle. You can cut yours whichever size you want. Some people cut it bigger, some people cut it smaller, just how you want your okra to look like. And this is how I cut mine. Okra soup is very fast and it's the easiest. Okay, so after doing this, I'm going to add my Uziza leaf for flavor. Very nice. If you've not added Uziza leaf to your okra soup before, just try this. And yeah, I added water here, which is optional. Okay, I don't want the okra to be too thick. That's why I added water. And yeah, I love adding onions. Once I've added my okra, I add onions. There's this flavor it also gives to the soup. And then I add my ugu. Just allow this to boil for like 2 minutes and my soup is ready. Lastly, this is the time you have to check if your soup will be needing salt or not. So if there's need for salt, you add. If there's no need, your soup is ready. So please make sure you try this recipe and come back to this video and tell me how it was. I'm open to questions. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, this is the opportunity for you to subscribe. Please subscribe to my YouTube